Okay, today's topic is we will discuss the exact uh, strategy we will use for
Mm-hmm.
uh, number one, how to trade with in cash market long
Okay.
MTF facility. Okay, so
Okay.
now all the brokerage start giving MTF facility,
Okay. Yeah.
and but there is a problem in it. The problem is that we have to pay the interest rate, uh,
Correct.
and every 1 lakh, probably if I'm not wrong, 50 rupees per day is the interest rate.
Okay. Okay.
It can vary. It can vary to broker, but then you should
Mm.
try to understand that it sometimes give you 4 times leverage in
Uh-huh.
case of delivery trading, cash market.
Okay.
Fourth time, fourth time leverage is good only when you manage the trade well, right?
Mm. Correct.
Otherwise, it will be disaster. Not only you will lose in your uh, the position, you will
Mm.
also pay the interest, right? And
Correct.
because you have taken the fourth time leverage, that means say you bought worth of 2 lakhs by paying 50,000, your
Mm.
money can erase significantly in very short
Yeah.
time, right? So
Correct.
going forward, I believe that most of the people will again start losing significant money because of this MTF facility.
Mm-hmm.
Will
True.
no way help trader, right? It is just uh, mm, another way to lose faster. It will be more dangerous than option because in option,
Mm.
in option there is a expiry. So if you have a losing trade, then the option will expire and your losing trade will automatically cut off.
Correct.
Here it is there is no expiry, so you can hold your losing positions 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, and
Correct.
can
Mm.
continue continuously paying the interest, right? It
Yeah.
significantly dangerous for trader, right?
Correct.
Because see, if you say you by paying 1 lakh, you got delivery of a particular stock of 4 lakhs, right?
Mm. Mm.
And this stock initially fall from your entry point 2%, 3%, and gradually it become 5%, 10%, or 20%.
Mm.
And it takes a uh, 20 days, and in 20 days you are seeing that your stock is below 20% of your entry price,
Mm.
and you holding it back. It is very easy that a 10-20% stock that fall may not recover very soon, right?
Correct.
And it
Correct.
can happens months or years sometimes. In that case, what you will do? You have the discipline to cut the trade, or not, then just count. If I hold it for say 60 days, then
Mm.
60, my per day interest is 200 rupees. Uh,
Mm.
in our example, I am
Mm.
paying
Mm.
1 lakh, taking MTF of 4 lakhs, and 4 lakhs will charge 200 rupees
Mm.
per day. And if I hold it for 1 month,
Mm.
then it will be a 6,000 rupees.
Correct.
When market is off, Saturday, Sunday, interest also debited. That means interest charge on the day
Mm.
market is closed, right?
Correct.
So if I hold 2 months,
Mm.
then I will pay 12,000
Correct.
as interest.
Mm.
That means I will lose 12% here, right?
Correct.
Another loss is my stock 20% down, so total 32% losses, right?
Correct.
Why is that? Because there is nobody will push you to exit. That means you will continuously hold, and
Yeah.
I don't know what will happen. So I believe that if you not be very careful, then
Mm.
using the MTF will be disaster. However, If you
Mm.
have a proper system, then obviously you can take the advantage of the MTF and
Mm.
you can actually make money, right?
Yeah.
So the main point here is that if you look for MTF trading, then without proper established, tested
Mm.
trading strategy, you must not attempt, right?
Mm.
If you do
Mm.
not have the plan, right, set at
Yeah.
the beginning, then do not try to trade MTF, right, by your own. It can be very dangerous for you if you not follow a specific, clear, proven trading strategy, and you start trading in MTF, right? So
Correct.
that's the reason the strategy I will discuss today will help you to win the game in case of MTF. Obviously, if you have a system and you take the MTF facility, obviously you will be more gainer, right, than original trading. But for that, you need to fix your trading strategy. So um,
Yeah.
from the day one, I always think that leverage is in one side there is a great danger, and another side there is a um, much higher benefit. Right now, whether we will take the benefit or the we will fall into the trap of danger depends on whether we have a trading strategy or not.
Correct.
So today I will discuss with you a proper system you must place if you attempt to trade in MTF. This is one thing. The
Okay.
second thing is that the rule I will discuss for the long trade for the MTF is same if you use it in a little bit future trade. For example, you are holding the trade for exactly same way you are
Mm.
trading the MTC. Try to understand future is also a leverage product, right? So
Mm.
going along in MTF and trading in future is actually same.
Mm-hmm.
There is no difference in case of
Correct.
long, right? So
Correct.
is the system which caters the MTF long will equally cater the future, right? Only
Correct.
things we have to change the basket of scanner of
Mm.
the stock. In case of MTF, we will go for cash market. In case of future trade, we will go for stock which is in future, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, because both the future and the MTF cash is both the leverage product, for
Mm.
long trade, we can use the same rule, right?
Mm.
Just our scanner will be different, okay?
Okay. Okay.
But for short, if we want to trade short side in future,
Mm.
the same trading strategy, a little different versions or the guidelines I will discuss with. Right.
Okay.
First,
Okay.
that is the reason. First, I will cover the long side.
Okay, sir.
Remember, in the long side, whether you are trading the MTF cash or you are trading the future, both are same.
Yeah.
Right? But then obviously our scanner is different, right?
Mm. Mm.
Now let me share my screen with you,
Sure.
and well, uh, so today we will create these. Let us name this. I will hand over this uh, PDF, the SOP after the class. Let us
Okay.
write it down here.
Yeah.
Let us name it MTF trading, right? I
Yeah.
already mentioned the first point. Number one point is we must have a scanner, right?
Mm.
The stock which comes through the scanner, we have to plot the chart in trading view,
Okay.
right? And it should be a daily time frame, okay?
Okay.
And then we will add in indicator one made MTF. Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay.
I have given you the access of this particular indicator. After class, when you will log in into your trading view, you will find that there is the indicator, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now we have number two, we have three scanner. Scanner one, scanner one, one for MTF cash. Okay.
Okay.
Scanner two, it is future long,
Okay.
and scanner three, scanner three is future short. Okay.
Yeah.
Number three, mm, how to short shortlisted how to shortlist stock,
Mm-hmm.
run the scanner, right?
Okay.
Now, if you want to trade MTF cash, then you will run the MTF cash scanner. If you want to trade in future long, then you will look for future long scanner. Similar,
Okay.
you will run for future short scanner, right? There is
Okay.
that means there is a three scanner.
Mm.
How to shortlist stock? Run the scanner. Select for long. Select stock that is 1% to 2% range in terms of gain. Okay, and for short it will be an opposite. For short, if you run the short scanner, then
Mm.
for short it will be a negative. Okay, I
Yeah.
will show you.
Okay,
So
sir.
if you stock that is 1% to range in that is 1% minus 1% minus 1% to minus
2%.
percent range in. Okay, clear.
Yeah.
So that means we understand that we have three scanners, right?
Mm.
And in three scanner, if I go for MTF cache only, then I will run the MTF cache scanner. Otherwise, I will run future long scanner or future short scanner.
Yeah.
Whether I am trading MTF cache, whether I am trading future long or future
Mm.
short, all will be traded using the single indicator, right?
Yeah.
uh, uh, for uh, for MTF cache, MTF future scanner for these for MTF cache in future long or future short,
Mm.
use in trading view single 1 minute MTF system.
Mm-hmm.
That means long, short, future, cache, you have only one indicator. There is no different indicator. How you will derive the trade, I will discuss later, right?
Sure.
Okay. Number five, for long. When I say for long, it could be MTF cache
Mm.
or future long, right?
Yeah.
For one. You just need to understand that for long,
Mm.
whether it is MTF cash or future long, use one and two for entry and four for exit. I will define these things
Sure.
why this line you may not understand unless I discuss exactly with example. But just for the sake of understanding, let us write it down.
Sure.
For long, whether it is MTF cache or future long, use 1 and 2 for entry, and for 4 for exit. Now, for short means future short, right?
Mm. Future short.
Use 3 and 4 for entry and 2 for exit. Okay, you just need to understand these things, right? Otherwise, other things I will discuss on the chart. Okay,
Okay.
let us see what's this scanner. Now, I already sent you in your group. You can find there must be 3 scanner.
Sure.
These 3 scanner we already sent you, right?
Correct. Yeah.
And now I already mentioned that this MTF feedstock selection, it is MTF cache,
Mm.
and MTF feedstock, it is long, right?
Mm. Yeah.
And this scanner is for short trade
Short.
entry. I already mentioned that eventually this one, the future long and cache MTF cache long are both same, right? Only the scanner is different, right?
Yeah.
So like if I copy this scanner, right, and if I uh, go there, then we have to run this scanner, and we will get the stock, right? Here.
Yeah.
Now, as you can understand that here we have written something like that 1% to 2% rate, right?
Correct.
So we have to click here, and we have to short this stock, and then we will come here from here to here, right? So
Correct.
we can see that if I plan for tomorrow, means I want to trade MTF basis tomorrow, right? Then my
Correct.
stock should be my stock should be Hindalco, L&T Finance, Aditya Birla Capital, JSW Steel, and Nippon, and Jindal Steel, right? You can
Yeah.
see that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stock I can plan for, right?
Yeah.
Now, I will recommend you, the next step is that you put this 6 stock into watch list, right?
Okay.
And but it doesn't mean that once you will get the entry all the 6 stock tomorrow. It is not like this, right?
Okay.
So here uh, I will recommend that you should go for 5 open positions at a time. That
Okay.
means um, say although stock will get 4 times leverage, right? Means 4 times MTF, right? So say 5 lakhs you plan, and in that case uh, you will trade the first 5 stock based on our rule, whichever whenever the entry will come, and you will allocate 1 lakh into 5 positions, right?
Yeah.
And if you see in our note, we have written here that for MTF cash, now 1 and 2, use 1 and 2 for entry, right?
Yeah. Correct.
That means there is 2 possible entry, right? Okay. Let me show you these things in chart. So here is the L&T Finance chart, right? You can,
Yeah.
I am just planning for tomorrow. That is the reason I am checking the L&T Finance, right?
Okay.
It is under scanner. You can already see that here it was L&T Finance, right?
Yeah. Correct. L&T Finance.
Yeah. So, the indicator I have added is Quantmet MTF trading count system, right?
Yeah.
You will get it into your indicator. As
Okay.
you can see, there is only few plot 1, 2, 3, 4, right? You
Correct.
remember the 1 and 2 is for entry, right?
Entry. Yeah.
For long, right? For
Yeah.
what is the entry criteria for long? 1 and 2.
One
What
and
is
two.
the exit criteria for long? 4,
Four.
right? Right. Let me show you something that you can see that here is a 4, right? So
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow or maybe going forward, I will wait for 1 and 2, right?
Correct.
Now, whichever come first. For an example, here you can see, suppose this stock last time came in our radar here, right? And you can
Correct.
see next day we got a 1. It is a daily chart,
Mm.
right? And that means you
Yeah.
have to check the market around 315, right? And around
Okay.
315, because this candle is live to next day, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow there will be a candle here, right?
Correct.
Around 315, 320, you can check, right?
Yep.
And you can see the last time this stock was here, and
Mm.
very similar case here is a 4. But because we are now looking for entry, tomorrow if
Mm.
there is a 1, then your
Mm.
first position should be here, right?
Okay.
Suppose you run this scanner, future scanner for long,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
And then you will wait for 1 and 2.
1, 2.
Remember one thing that it is unlikely that the day you get this stock through the scanner, you will get 1 or 2. It will not happen like that. It will happen
Mm.
only tomorrow, right?
Correct.
So if I trade 2 lot future, then around 320, if I see 1, then I will take the first positions, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then two scenario can happen, that next day or couple of days later I can get a 2, or I may
Mm.
not get 2, right? It can
Correct.
happen. But in this case, you can see, for example, here you can see that suppose the scanner give us the stock here.
Mm.
Here we got 1. Around 315, 320, we will buy some 50% amount, right? Assuming that we are using 1 lakh rupees for MTF trading, 50,000 worth of share I will purchase on delivery. That means
Okay.
I will take the delivery around 2 lakhs, right?
Mm.
And you can see the next day 4 is appearing, right?
Correct.
Okay. Now, if the 4 appears next day or after a couple of days
Mm.
later, then I will exit the positions 50%. Remember, we will exit the 50% on
Uh-huh.
first 4, right?
Yeah.
Good. And then you can see that the next day also you got 1, then you will
Mm.
again buy the stock, but again 50,000 worth of stock, right?
Correct.
And if obviously if the stock is you are not fully invested, then only you will do. That means one thing here I want to mention you, that you do not need to run the scanner on daily basis. Here I am giving you another one, right? So
Mm-hmm.
always run the scanner, no matter which positions you are doing, right?
Mm. Mm.
It can be 1, 2, 3. 1 means MTF cash, 2 means future long, or 3 means future short, right?
Mm.
Run the scanner 1, 2, or 3 only on one day in a week, that is Friday. Okay.
Okay.
So when you will run the scanner in a week, Friday.
Okay.
That means you can run it eventually Saturday or Sunday, no matter. That's not an issue, right?
Mm.
So means after week trading closes,
Ah.
Friday you will run this scanner.
Mm.
From Monday onward, you have 5, 6 stock, right?
Correct.
Entire week you will focus only on those 5, 6 stock, right? You understand this?
Mhm. Okay, okay. So only on Friday I need to run the stock, and that will be for the next week
Uh,
trade.
do not run the scanner on daily basis, right?
Yeah.
That means here at weekend you will plan the trade, and over the week you will trade, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is important, so make it bold.
Uh-huh.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason for my next week MTF cash or
Mm.
MTF long. I have how many stock? I have couple of stock. For example, I have one, two, three, four,
Five,
five, six stock.
six.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now these six stock will be in my radar
Mm.
in coming week. How I
Correct.
will trade? Every time I will get one, I will trade half of positions. Every time I will get a 4, I will exit
Ah.
positions. Right now, here is the catch. If we get a chance where
Mm-hmm.
we invested our full amount, means here I you invested the 50%, right? You
Mm-hmm.
invested the another half, right? That means 100% you have invested, right?
Okay. Ah.
Okay. In that case, in only in that case,
Mm.
suppose for example, you got one and two, here one, here two. You
Mm.
invested consecutively both the positions, right?
Mm.
In
Mm.
that case, where you will exit, the day it will come four, right? But
Mm-hmm.
I mentioned already, the at four you will exit the half positions, not the full positions, right?
Okay. Okay. Ah.
And then um, because in this day you exited the half of the positions, the remaining you have 50% cash in hand, 50% positions, right?
Mm. Mm. Correct.
Subsequent day, if you get either one or two, then you will again enter the other half. Or if you do not get one and two, instead you get four, do not
Ah.
put the 50% profit. You should tail the positions.
Slightly
Okay.
confusing, sir. What
Okay, so
happened?
I am telling you, I'm writing it here, right?
Okay.
That will be clear. So suppose this is, let's assume this is Friday.
Okay.
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 Then next day there is a one.
Yeah.
When you check, at what time you
Monday.
will check?
Monday 3:15.
Good. Monday 3:15 you will get the signal, right?
Yeah.
Now tell me, we have say 5 lakhs capital, right?
Uh-huh.
We are dealing with 5 lakhs capital, right?
Yeah.
So five open positions,
Yeah.
five max open position, right?
Mm.
Per trade 50K
Mm-hmm.
plus 50K.
Yeah.
This is clear.
Correct.
Now, if you trade in future, then you will open five max positions, and you have to open two lot each time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fine. So because there is a one, how much? Tell me in this day how much I will invest.
50K.
With the MTF, we can get 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, whatever it may be, right?
Ah. Ah.
So we will check how much I can get by investing 50K, and that much we will buy. Clear?
Okay.
Now next day again a 2 appears.
Correct.
Remember for long 1 and 2 entry, right?
Correct.
For long, we have mentioned in our SOP that for long 1 and 2 is entry, 4 is exit. Okay.
Mm. Yeah.
So tell me on second, because here is a 2, what you will do?
We'll invest another 50K.
Good. So what is your total investment now?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. So you have almost 3, 4, 5 lakhs worth of stock
Yeah. Correct.
in your hand, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now, next day a 3 appears. What you will do?
Mm. 3, no, no action.
Nothing. No actions, right? Good. And then you have a 4. What you will do?
You will exit 50%.
Good. You exited 50%, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, suppose next day 1 or 2 appears. What you will do?
You will invest another 50K which you exited.
Whatever you have exited, right?
Correct.
But here, if 4 appears, how much part of your investment is still in your hand? 50%.
50%. 50%.
50% you already booked, right?
Correct.
So because here is consecutive 4,
Mm-hmm.
remember when there is a consecutive 4, that means momentum is building, and instead of booking, you will just hold it. How you will hold? Now you will mentally follow the stop loss below this candle low, right?
Okay. Okay. For that 50% remaining.
For the 50%. Again, you can see that next day is a 4. You
Mm.
will follow next day a mental stop loss here, right?
Okay.
Or you
Okay.
can put a hard stop loss, that is not a matter, right?
Okay. Okay.
Same appears here,
Yeah.
you will trail the stop loss, right?
Yeah.
Same appears here, you will trail the stop loss. Clear?
Correct. Correct.
Clear?
Correct.
Then you find that a 1 appear. Remember, you have still
Oh,
50% to
50%. Yeah. Yeah.
clear? Now you invested 50% here.
Uh-huh.
The moment 100% invested, next day 4 appear, you have to book 50%.
50%. Yeah.
Good. And it is a 4 for the remaining 50%, it will be the stop loss. Next day all positions will be exited.
Yeah. The 50%. Okay.
All the positions will be exited because you have trailed all the stop loss na, till the
Oh,
remaining 50% also.
okay. 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 So whenever we are trailing and whenever we buy another
See,
50%,
trailing start when you have 50% position. Right.
correct.
Clear. Until
Correct.
you book 50%, there is no concept of trailing. This is the main things you have to understand.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
See,
Okay.
you understand it.
Yeah. I get that point. So,
I
but
will.
for how long you will you go just monitor this one stock for that particular week? Is it like from Monday to Friday?
No, if the stock, if see, if a positions doesn't give you any entry, sorry, exit, then it's okay. You will hold. For example, you track 4 5 stock, right? One or
Yeah.
two stock may happen like this. So on Friday you find that among the 5, 2 is still hold, right?
Mm,
Then you
mm,
know that I have three open position, three positions room to open. So you will run
mm.
the scanner and you will find 5 stock, but then you know that I have to open 3 positions. So Monday onward, whichever give you opportunity, you will try. Whenever you will adjust it, then stop. Game is over.
Okay. Okay.
For example, say I Monday I got a chance of say Aditya Birla Capital.
Mm,
And that Aditya Birla Capital give me Monday chance to open because Monday was a 1
mm,
and Tuesday was a 2. I invested fully, right?
mm,
And then Thursday there is a 4. I exited 50%,
mm.
holding 50%. And Friday is also a 4, so I am holding the 50%. I will trail. So Friday night when I will run the scanner, I know that I have only 4 positions to open in coming month.
Okay. Okay.
So if we do not have we will not open more than 5 positions. That is the point here, right? I
That's
am
right.
giving you a scenario to make things clear. Suppose tomorrow Monday is a 1. What you will do?
Mm. I'll buy 50%.
Okay. And next day is a 4. What you will do?
I'll exit 50%.
Good. That means full positions room will open. All right.
Correct.
First, but Monday there is Monday is a 4. Say Monday is a 4. What you will do? You will do
No
nothing.
entry.
No entry.
No entry.
Tuesday give 1 entry.
50%. Yeah.
Tuesday give 2, still you will enter 50%, whether it is
50%.
1 or 2, right?
Yeah.
And Thursday is a 4, you will exit 50%.
50%.
Friday is also 4, 50% is still hold with
And
now
you'll
trailing
trade.
stop loss activated,
Ah,
right?
correct.
And Friday when you will run the scanner, you know that I have one positions open, so I can only open 4 positions next week. So let's run the scanner, find out the stock, put them in watch list, and whichever come 1 and 2 first, I will invest, and this way I will open another 4 positions. Once the capital will be adjusted, I will stop the game.
Okay. So on the trailing stop loss, is it on the break basis or on the closing basis?
You will use the trailing stop loss on break basis.
Okay, okay.
That means you can put the hard stop.
That's so yeah, okay, okay.
See, why on break basis? See, we are paying interest. We are not actually hang on very long for a stop. That is the reason at
Okay.
the beginning I told you that sometimes we have to exit tomorrow like BTST. Other times we have to hold it for long, couple
Mm.
of days, right? You
Yeah.
understand now why these things
Yes, yes, yes.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Practice it. I am in touch with you, right? We will both see. I will recommend you that step number 1 should be practice it with cash market MTF cash, right? Then couple of days, couple of week or 2 week, start your future plan, because
Okay.
you must be first learn the management, right? It is
Mm.
easy, but still you may need some help. First couple of weeks, use the cash, and then you can start your future.
Okay, because I have not activated the MTF, sir. I don't know whether it's
MTF will
available
take
on.
10-20 minutes. Probably
Okay,
already activated.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay,
Or you can go for the future, then no problem. Right.
okay.
But
Yeah,
remember, if you go for future, then you have the meta stock, right?
yeah.
So
Metastock, I have Metastock.
in Metastop, we have whether we should go long or short. One indicator is there, right? For the
Uh,
for
uh,
the for the swing positions, we use one indicator, right?
yeah, the
Go for long or
MTF,
short. Hmm.
MTF indicator, right?
Right. So couple of days, 1 or 2 days, use that. I will transfer that indicator into trading view. That indicator will help you to understand whether now is a good time to go for long positions in future or short position.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
But I believe that you understand the MTF cash and future law.
Yeah. So future also it's the same approach
Same
only, right?
thing. Yeah, future long is same.
So you will
Exactly
have
same.
to trade two lots, is it? In case of one and two.
In case of 1 and 2, you should trade 2 lots.
Okay, okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
Now, one thing I didn't told you that what would be the initial stop loss, right? Uh,
Yeah,
every trade must have an initial stop loss point,
correct.
and initial stop loss is the first one. And so initial stop loss will be, you already know the rule. Most of our rule are very same. Uh, Here will be your stop loss. That means
Okay.
the candle you got the empty, two candle
Two candle
just before
previous
that,
low.
right?
Okay.
What do you
Yeah.
exactly do in case of swing trading,
Yeah.
right? Two
Correct.
candle, right?
Yeah.
So I
Got
cover
it.
most of the things, right? And
Mhm.
let you run the scanner and ask me question in the group, right?
Sure.
And
Sure.
first couple of week you should ask every step before you take, right?
Yeah. So in
And
the scanner,
yeah,
future scanner, yeah, I mean, I should run the future scanner, right? In case if
yeah.
I want.
If you want to trade futures, then you will run the future long. Currently,
Oh.
we are in a long position, so long mode in future. So you should go for the future long. I will give you the access of the trailing view indicator that tells you whether we should go long or short tomorrow. When you will get that, you will find that we are in a long mode, right? Currently,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah. Again, it's same thing. I need to look right, like 1 to 2%.
So if I let me run this scanner. For if say if I first of all I told you what I told you that we are in a long, right?
Yeah.
This is clear. Now why we are long mode in a long mode? I already mentioned that the indicator is in our metastock, but we will transfer the same indicator into trading view, and you will get the access to tomorrow trading view, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now if I paste it here, then I will get some stock here and 1 to 2%, right?
Yeah. One to
So
two.
in that case, we have three stock to trade long in long side
Ah.
uh, coming week, right?
Yeah. Correct.
Hindalco, BEL and JSW Steel, right?
JSW.
So if I say open the JSW future stock, then I will go to the future and I will go for JSW Steel, JSW. I already mentioned that it is mostly it never happened that you got the stock which is one or two, right? So what
Mm.
you will do tomorrow? See, for example, suppose oh, it's comes here JSW Steel, right?
Yeah. JSW.
Let us run a scenario test. Let me clear the TBS. So for example, suppose we got the stock in our scanner here, right?
Mm. Mm.
What do you will do?
Next day
First
we'll
you
buy
will buy
one
your
again.
first position, second day you will buy your one, you will not buy, right? Okay, hold. Double one, one or two, right?
Yeah.
So this is a good study. That is the reason I mentioned you that you should ask me. So if there is a one, second is one. No,
One.
one positions you have already taken. Now you have to take
Correct.
in two positions, right? Second positions,
Correct.
right? One is first position. First position already done. So we will not do anything here, right?
Okay. Okay.
I will buy here, right?
Correct.
So
Second
our
position.
both lot has been entered.
Yeah.
We will assume this as a stop loss
Uh-huh.
because previous two candle, right? Basis.
Correct.
Clear?
Yes.
Now, what we are looking for now? Tell me what we are looking for. We
We
are
look
looking for
four.
four, right?
Mm.
And next day is a two. Do nothing. Second position also has been
Correct.
taken. This is also two. Do nothing.
Nothing.
Second position already taken, right?
Yeah.
Good. So next day we see four.
Mm.
So first lot we will book. We will obviously make some money here, right? You can
Yeah.
see we will make that much, right?
Mm. Yeah.
Good. Um, how many lots you have already taken? Both lot means two
Two.
lot. Right?
Two lot.
So
One you
two
will
lot, four
exit.
lot, six lot, eight lot, whatever you can say.
Uh.
We will exit around 315, one lot.
Yeah.
Now next day one appears. So what you will
You'll
do?
buy.
You will
You'll buy
re-enter. Yeah?
re-enter one lot.
One lot you will re-enter. Second day, what you will do? You will exit
Exit.
one lot.
Yeah.
You can see I mentioned you that sometime it will be BTST types of one day holding.
One day holding. Okay. Yeah.
You have
Correct.
already one positions continuously you are holding that has been
Mm.
taken here, right?
Mm.
We, clear?
Correct. Correct.
And you are rolling one positions every day.
Yeah. One position every day.
Good. Now you have one. So again you will buy one lot.
Again. Correct.
But here what you will do? You will do
You'll
nothing
not do
because
anything.
second positions you have already done here, right?
Yeah.
Nothing to do, right?
Nothing. Yeah.
Here you will get a
Exit
four.
one. Mm.
Exit one lot. You have
Correct.
still one lot, right?
Yes.
Now you again next day got a 4. Now your
Yes.
trailing
Trail
stop loss
stop loss.
activated.
Yeah.
I will recommend you that place the trailing stop loss after 15 minutes. It is a opening gap. All right. It's if you check the 15-minute chart, then you will find that it is just the opening gap. So after 15 minutes, 9:30, place the stop loss. That day trade not exited. Right.
Correct.
But next day your trade exited.
Yeah.
That's the way you actually manage all the positions.
Okay. Mm.
Once you're both exited, next day because of two, don't enter.
Ah,
You will not enter here, right?
correct.
Means the journey has ended. You
Journey
have
as in
opened, you have opened full positions, you have exited full positions.
full position.
Do not
Okay.
repeat it
Okay.
from here on, right?
Got it. Got it. So once all the both the position got exited, we'll not re-enter again into the
We will go for the fresh stock.
fresh one. Oh, okay, sir.
Means
Got it.
we got it here again. It is very similar to here. Let's
Hmm.
what happened tomorrow, day after tomorrow. That will define what we will do.
What
You
will you do?
understand it? So
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
understand that in between multiple time we have do a short time holding trade. Means
Correct.
we bought at 315, next day we exited at 315, right?
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
And one positions we continuously held up.
Yeah, yeah. Got it.
It's easy. At least long side you have understand, but
Yeah.
you just replicate this in short side. What is 1 and 2? There is a 3 and 4. What is
Uh,
4? Become the 2. Everything is same. But
oh,
currently you are only we are in a long mode. Do
long
not
one.
trade short, right? Now,
Yeah.
why I am saying that we are long mode? Remember the meta stock indicator I already mentioned.
Yeah, yeah. The
But
Nifty.
I also told you that tomorrow I will give you an indicator in trading view. We will completely withdraw ourselves from the metastock because in metastock daily basis, data update and a lot of things, right? So
Yeah.
we will transfer all the indicator or all the purpose we use the metastock now into
Uh,
trading view. So
okay.
I hope that you understand all this point.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How do you use that indicator, sir, in the trading view, the one which you told whether it's long or short?
Okay, that will give you the long answer. It is straightforward. It will print in the chart whether we are in long mode or short mode. You know,
Okay.
in Metastock we have a color code here, right?
Yeah.
Long zone, short zone, right? It will be same here also.
Okay. 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 Just if you can just show me that one, sir,
Yeah,
once.
but I understand your point. But actually, our team is working on transferring into the here trading view,
Oh, okay.
right?
Okay. No
So I
problem.
will hand over. But just understand that you will get a clear long, clear short written over here.
Okay. Written overall. Oh, okay. Okay. Then it's easy. Okay, sir.
It's very easy, no problem
Easy.
at all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or it may be color change, or it may be our swing trading strategy indicator, right? It can
Yes.
be plus 85. So let's see. We are still not actually decided that what we'll do. We have formulated it, but what will be the plotting? We have little bit discussion, right?
Okay.
So that is in fact in short not completed yet, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So can I stop trading in the smart swing trading and just look into this?
Which one? Which one you want to stop?
The smart swing trading, which I've been doing till date.
If your capital permit,
Uh,
then you can continue that because that strategy and this strategy is different strategy,
different.
right?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Got
If
it.
you already, if in your case, let me share my case. I do both because something I am practicing for years. I cannot drop it because there is a
Exactly.
right.
Exactly.
So allocate some capital here, allocate some capital there, right?
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
so that's it.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yes.
right?
Yeah.
You have meta stock, it will remain with you.
Mm.
So you should continue because you already did it for long. Why you will drop it,
Exactly. Exactly.
right?
Sure, sir.
And then our others trading is going good. The swing trading, our accuracy fix.
Yeah, accuracy fix also is going good, except for crude, gold and Nifty are in
But
positive.
last couple of 5, 6 positions we have booked good profit, right?
Yes, yes.
Except probably last 6, 7 trade, only one trade goes wrong in crude, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Continue these things. Accuracy fix is I already mentioned at the beginning that this works very well, so you should probably focus on it.
Yes, sir. I'm focusing on the accuracy fix, and the swing trading is what I'm doing on regular basis. For this one, I'll from Monday I will just start with one or two stock, and I will share my result with you.
Exactly. And also, before taking action, if you want, you can confirm with me because
Yes,
I
yes, yes.
will also do these things, so it will be on my top of mind. I will easily guide you. Okay.
Exactly. I'll share with you before entering the trade. Yeah.
Okay, then that's it. I believe that we have covered all these things. I will send you all this SOP, right? Short
Yeah.
guide, right? And that way, let me send you this. Why not now? Um, so I'm sending you in your group, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You understand it, right?
Yeah, I got it, sir.
Good. This trading strategy will eventually give bypass the problem with the MTF trading I mentioned at the beginning, right?
So is MTF available for future trading also?
No,
Oh, it's only cash trading, is it?
but try to understand why you will go for future trading in case of long. It is not making sense because see, try to understand. You are getting much more leverage with MTF, just only 50 the interest part that will pinch you, but then it will compensate it. And good point here is that in a future you have to go for the lot they mention. You can break that in your favor. For example, say 500 is the lot size, right? Or
Ah,
1,000
yeah.
is lot size. Instead of 5,000, you can go for 200 stock. That way you will manage the risk, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's
So
true.
I believe personally that with this trading system in place for long side play, going in future is not actually prudent.
Okay, you recommend to do it in cash.
Yeah, do it in cash. Because in cash, there is, see, for example, suppose JSW Steel or anything, any stock, say 500 is the lot size, and I bought two lot,
Ah,
I and 1,000 stock. I cannot break the lot size, but here I can break the lot size, and my
correct,
margin is way lower than than the future.
correct, correct.
Margin blocking for is way lower than the future. Only point is that the interest, and that is 50 rupees per day. But when the system is placed, eventually it's better we go for MTF cash.
Okay, okay, okay.
But still it is in experimental basis. All right.
Mm.
MTF is new thing. I also need to gain some experience. Probably after a couple of months I will be very confirm and confident that what is going on, but then try to understand. That is the reason I start this class with giving you the right frame. Don't jump. MTF has the problem. It is a dangerous thing, but
Correct.
still, you know, we unless we have a system in place, right?
Mm.
For example, if you see, if I show you something that For example, suppose you bought MTF at here, right?
Mm, mm.
It's a nice trend. You bought MTF on 1st August 18. You see when the price came
Yeah.
after 3 years.
Yes.
So you will pay 3 years interest if you do
Exactly.
not cart able to cart it, right? See,
Exactly.
a lot of people will actually fall into this trap.
Yeah.
Now then, their interest payment is way more, probably 4 times than their investment.
Yes. Yes.
If they start hoping, try to understand the danger, right?
Very
That
true.
means you can't afford to hope, right? You
Yeah.
just need to have a system and you have to follow it, right? You
Exactly.
can't hope, you can't ignore the stop loss when you are trading in MTF.
Very true.
Broker already start talking about that we are giving you MTF, you buy the stock, all right, and whenever the price will come, if it is lost, then you can exit, right?
Mm.
But then try to understand in your lifespan there will be 3 4 occasions must that will take 3 4 years the price to come. And if you
Exactly.
have a heavy positions with MTF, all right,
Right. It
then
will
it
be
will be
very.
disaster. Suppose
Mm.
you have 20 lakhs 30 lakhs account, your broker will push you take delivery of 5 core 10 core MTF, right?
Very true.
And try to understand if they manage you to give 1 core MTF, their daily income is how much?
Yeah.
5,000,
5,000. Yeah.
right? So I am giving you what will happen. Let me tell you. If you, the moment your broker will see that you have 20 lakhs account, they will
Uh-huh.
push you to take delivery of 1 crore rupees in MTF.
Uh-huh.
That
Uh-huh.
will give 5,000 state income on daily basis,
Exactly.
right? And with 1 crore stock, if you hold it for 200 day, your entire
Mhm.
money gone.
Yeah, exactly. Everything is gone. Yeah.
Disaster. So be very
Disaster.
careful, right?
Yes.
People are
Yes.
talking about MTF broker. MTF is the new way to siphon your money into their account,
Yeah, exactly, sir. That's right.
right?
Very
So
true.
you need to have a proper system. Without proper system, never try to trade MTF.
Yeah, I got it, sir.
Okay, then I am wrapping up this class. I will be in group. If you want, you can ask any question anytime.
Yeah, sir. I'll run the scanner and I will let you know from Monday. I'll just initially start with one stock.
All right.
Uh,
Yeah, that's better. Okay.
yeah. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye.